Good morning. We are in Lisbon. We came yesterday evening. We were flying from Venezia.
Today we're gonna explore Lisbon.
We're gonna check some vintage shopping.
Yep.
And it's crazy empty.
Yeah.
The streets are empty. You're gonna see it. We're gonna take you with us.
And see how it is to travel to Portugal in 2020.
Covid times.
Yeah.
Let's see. Francesca said that she wants to go to Starbucks.
Never ever. I think nowadays it's even more important to just support the locals because everything is so empty and it's just so bad for all the restaurants and cafes because it's completely empty. Yesterday on dinner we were the only guests. At the same time it's cool to explore the city when it's not so full, but it's also a bit sad. Okay, so we already wanted to check some vintage places and actually most of them are closed.
It's pretty weird because it said they open at 12 and now it's 12 and it's completely closed. And
I suppose the people just decide when they open the stores and when not because it's just like not really busy as you can see.
I feel a bit like kind of guilty, but we're also here for the job reasons. We have like a couple of meetings and 2 projects to shoot, so it's not that we're here just like tourists. We have to say that the people are really cautious, like everybody's like trying to avoid you and everybody's like maintaining the space.
We just walked by the street and then we found this entrance and it leads to this Californication moment kind of.
Exactly, it looks like LA, California palm tree drive.
Yeah, we are so inspired by the city.
We're walking now for, let's say, like an hour and a half.
Yeah.
And we decided that if we want to see the most from Lisbon, we have to
get a Vespa.
Let's try to get a Vespa. This is the Vespa we're gonna do.
Yes.
Looks good.
And we made it!
We're on the Vespa and we go off to breakfast place.
Let's go.
No, it's red. I cannot go.
It's still red.
Let's go.
Let's go now. Time for late breakfast at this place here. And we got the breakfast. You know, we were searching for some oats actually.
Yeah, and now it's really like nearly 2:30 and I'm starving and I'm gonna dive in like
So these are actually oat bowls. We ordered some extra yogurt to make it like we do it.
Yeah.
And some avo toast. Yep.
Let's get it.
Breakfast.
It was amazing.
So what's the plan now? Getting lost?
I think we're just gonna drive through Lisbon for slow, like just to get the vibe. With the Vespa, it's pretty cool because you can just see so much. And you know, the Lisbon is not really flat; it's like up and down. So, yeah, Vespa I think it's the best option right now.
Okay.
Are ready?
Go.
Let's go. So we just came back to our apartment. Actually, we have to show you the apartment.
Yeah, it's so sick.
Okay, let's do the tour now.
Hey, welcome to our crib. Come in. This room.
So this is the living room.
I love the interior.
So right here is the kitchen. Also really spacious. Just
Super nice.
Yeah. It's a little bit dirty because we have to clean everything. And yeah, let's check the living room. The sleeping room. That's pretty cool, right? And now we're gonna check X Factor, it's called.
Yeah.
It's like an artsy vintage market. How do you like with Vespa?
It's really cool. I mean, I really like to explore the city by walking, but with the Vespa, I've never been here, so we can see more of the city. And we can still walk.
In a shorter time.
Yeah.
Okay, Vespa time.
So now we're gonna go into another vintage store.
Yeah, I have to get a shirt like this. I just love them in summer. This one I got last year in Brooklyn, like $3.
Called Retro City. Okay, this is the entrance. Gotta make sure that our hands are clean.
Yep.
Okay, let's search this place.
Hello.
Dennis is actually in
In the rage.
the heaven. Oh,
These shirts are actually really hard to find, so
100% silk. So
€12. That was successful.
Dennis got how many shirts?
I got like 5 or 4, like a really
Yeah.
good silk shirt, 100% silk.
So sick.
And I paid €50 for everything. We would really recommend this store.
Yeah, 100%.
So Francesca said that she found an outfit for me.
Yes, I'm going to wear the jumpsuit made entirely out of Velcro.
Alright, now we're gonna grab our Vespa and we're gonna check the X Factory.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna crave for some pastel de nata, maybe. So what do you think about our Vespa? I mean, it's not the retro one.
It's better than our scooter in Bali.
This is gonna be epic. Yeah, absolutely. So X Factory it is. It's like an art market or so. I have no idea, let's just check it out.
So cool. It's like Brooklyn vibes.
Market was cool.
And now we're gonna get some pastel de nata.
Some pastel de nata, maybe.
I changed the shirt.
Go up.
The other one was a bit sweaty, so this is the shirt that I bought now.
It was not just sweaty, Dennis just wanted to put the new shirt on.
Yeah, I wanted to put a new.
We all know it.
You know, it's like I am the small kid, you know, like putting the new shirt on. Alright, we parked the Vespa.
Yeah.
Time to check pastéis de Belém. I am really curious to see how many people is gonna be there. It doesn't look too full. Usually you have to wait like up to 1 hour.
Yeah, crazy. There's no line.
It's actually empty.
Thank you, bye.
Thank you. We got the pastéis. They're still warm.
Oi. Okay, this is sick.
Show me heaven. Leave me breathless. When I was here 6 years ago, I had to wait like half an hour to get one pastéis.
Okay, it is time to sit here in this scenic tree, have some cold beer and some Piadina. Okay, Dennis, would you recommend this place here, La Piadina?
I would definitely recommend.
So
It was very good.
now let's hunt the sunset. Okay, where are we now, Dennis?
I have no idea, but it's supposed to be a rooftop bar.
It's like in a horror movie. We decided to leave because it's too full. I think the sundowner from up there is really great, but we don't want to wait to get a seat. Let's just grab a cold beer. I'm sure we're gonna find some good view as well. So we just wanted to get some beer. We realized that it's already after 8. We cannot get alcohol anymore. Let's have some alcohol-free beer. It was set on Google for a good sundowner trip. Well, plot twist, the sun goes down on the other side, but we don't have so much time anymore, so...
And the beer is still cold, so we have to drink the beer.
Of course, we have to keep the priorities, you know? Yeah. I actually much prefer this to the bar. And actually tomorrow we're gonna also check out a flea market. We hope it's open, we're not sure because of COVID, but let's see.
Morning. It's like 8 o'clock, 8:30. We're gonna check the flea market. Damn, it's supposed to be the second best pastel de nata.